Welcome back to another weekend. It's like, I don't know, 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Is it?
Yeah, it's something crazy.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's 5:04.
So, there's not as much to be done to finish this up this weekend, so we've been just kind of relaxing, enjoying our time back here, sitting down.
It's a nice place to sit.
Yeah.
And we did a lot of talking today.
The weather's beautiful.
The weather's so nice.
Yeah.
Finally.
It's like 78 degrees today, so.
It's so lovely outside. I could cry.
I think it's gonna be 80 tomorrow, so it's really nice, but we have like 2.5 hours roughly before it gets dark, so we should be able to get this board finished up, and then
Every couple of weeks I have to come in here and put all of the drill bits back into their boxes and
yeah, when I'm going, I just kind of pull it all out.
throw away all the trash and organize all the random scrap pieces of wood, and I'm gonna have to break down a ton of cardboard boxes.
We got a ton of boxes.
And just all the little tiny things here and there, extra screws and stuff like that, they just get left all over the place. And so my job is to come organize bi-weekly.
It helps a lot. Allows me to stay just focused, so
I'm happy to do it.
yeah, I appreciate it.
Especially with how limited I've been. Like, basically, for a while there, that's all I could do.
Yeah. You want to talk about your arm?
Oh, yeah, so as of right now, what is today?
The 20th, something like that. 20th,
April 20th?
something like that.
Because it's April 20th. That means in April, May, June, about 2 months. Well, no, because it'll be mid-June.
Yeah.
So mid-June, I'll have the second surgery because I have a plate put in and I'm going to have the plate taken out. Right now, my physical therapist says that it's not 100% normal, but like this angle right here and this angle right here might be as good as I ever get with the plate in. She said that I might be able to get a little bit more with the plate out, but that I might never get all of it back, ever. But I have to have the plate out because the screws are like uneven under my skin and you can just feel it and you can feel the entire plate. We'll get a close-up later, but it's just awful. And anytime even when I hit it on anything, it's just agonizing.
Even landing on something is annoying, right?
Yeah, even just like, I can't put my elbow down on a table and like rest it. And it hurts too bad. And like, I just don't want to have to be dealing with that for the rest of my life, so. No,
Are you coffee?
I just want to get some pictures of it.
Yeah. Get some clips. Alright, we're gonna get started.
You can see how it's outlined right here, right there. Scar goes all the way up. If you do like this, you can see the plate better. Is it showing up on the camera?
Yeah, let me get it from the side.
From the side, that's where one of the screws is, right there. Do you see that bump? Whenever I have my elbow contracted all the way, this feels like it's pressing up on the back part of my skin really hard, like it's gonna bust through. This one too, that one's really bad. Oh, you can see it real bad from there, that little part right there. Can you see that?
Yeah. Skin goes all the way.
Oh, that's gross. Even that, it just, oof, that hurts. But hopefully I'll have it out really soon. We don't have a shepherd stick or nothing.
You ain't shepherding nothing out of here.
That's what I'm saying. It's like if you start getting electrocuted,
There's only like one thing you could do.
which is what?
I'm not gonna tell you the secret.
You're not gonna tell me just in case you start dying?
It's gonna be up to you.
Line it up.
Huh?
It's gonna be up to me to line it up.
To properly gap between the walls there. And each side. tested this a few times. So. The good thing is like, even though these are heavy on the hinges here, hand me most of the weight, you're fine. These are meant for fences, you know, and those get pretty damn heavy, so.
About the other side?
The other side looks good.
Here. You just take this. These bolts and stuff. Bolts. Oh god. Do 5 total, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just sit there.
Okay, I have to drop it.
Go ahead, I'm on it.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Yay! Look at you guys. You like it?
Coffee's a good boy, though, aren't you? I just want to sleep in here.
Me too.
So, we don't have a lot of projects for the rest of this weekend. So, just gonna be doing some light duty things and then honestly doing a lot of cleanup. We got drill bits and everything everywhere, and I really want to get things consolidated and ready to go for next weekend because the next few weekends are going to be jam-packed with work. So, yeah, so it's going to be Probably pretty boring for the rest of this video. Or maybe I'll find something else to do, but we'll see. Right. Trying to get this metal sheet back into place. We're going to do that is we're going to try to loosen the board here and slip it up